Marhaba and welcome to Mike's Organic Cafe. Today is a Lebanese staple known as Mujadara or Mujadara, made with lentils and coarse crushed wheat, Burghal or Burghal. When I tried this the first time, it was delicious, but it's more on the vegetarian side, so I have it sometimes with a steak, but you don't have to. You can rely on the protein in the lentils, but you'll probably need to eat about a kilo of this to get the same protein from a 300 gram steak. And of course, I'll be using organic ingredients to maximize flavor and nutrients. Ingredients are 1 cup of lentils, blanched then rinsed in water, 1.5 cups of coarse crushed wheat, Burghal, large onion diced into small cubes, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and a splash of sea salt. Step 1. My lentils are already blanched and washed because I have some left over from the last cook, but if you need to prepare more, just blanch 1 cup in water for about 15 minutes, then wash them in a sieve. Add the coarse Burghal to the pot. It doesn't need to be washed, followed by the lentils and 1 litre of clean water. Then place on a medium heat until it starts to boil. Add sea salt if desired. In my opinion, it doesn't need it for flavour, but I'll add it anyway. Step 2. While it's coming to a boil, grab a frying pan, add the olive oil. Then, once it starts to heat up, add the diced onion, stirring with a wooden spoon until the onions turn a light brown. You can go darker if you like that charred taste. Try to cut your onion into fine squares. Mine were cut too big, so they took a while. Or just grab a food processor and mince them good if you can be bothered cleaning it after a single use. Step 3. You can tell when the lentils and Burghal have sucked in all the water by tilting the pot left and right. When that's happened, and if the onions are cooked to your liking, you can add them to the pot and fold them gently together with a wooden spoon. Step 4. Now turn off the heat and place a lid to fit the pot. Leave it to steam for 5 minutes. Once it's done, serve in side dish plates and enjoy it with a huge steak. I'll be having mine with 500 grams of full fat mince. It's a cheaper option and quicker to cook. Enjoy and be seeing you.